Hello everyone, so we are back again, and as you must seen on the thumbnail already, we're gonna discuss about volume of regular polygonal prism and cylinders as well. Okay, so what is the smallest polygon? If we talk about regular polygon, so smallest 2D shape I would say would be made by three sides, means triangle. So let's draw a prism using triangle. I hope you can see this whole part. So this is triangle and that's the base area. If you rotate it something like that, it's the triangle, and when you increase its height, it's just 2D with the height, so that's called a prism. Now this is a prism and we can call it triangular prism. It's like just the base's name. On base's name, the prism's name is triangular prism. So if we make it a square as base, this would be square prism or rectangular prism or anything you can say. And next, if we make it this, it's a pentagonal prism because five sides are here, so the base is actually this. Or if you check from this side, so prism means two faces, the main base face should be same, and the height which is meeting these two face would become length or height or something. Okay, so if I need to talk about the volume of it, let's start stacking them. So when we stack, how do you find the volume of a prism? It's very easy. You should know just the area of this base. I hope you can see this base, and let's make it a this is a square prism, and when we talk about it, it's the square from base and above, and there is one height which is meeting two faces. So we can just normally say the area of this base multiply just the height. If we are increasing the sides like this, you know how the circle is formed. You increase the sides of polygon to infinity and it becomes a circle. I hope the left hand side you can see like this. You can still see the sides, number of sides here, and then it's making, it's increasing the number of sides, and this is a circle now. And now the circular prism is called the cylinder actually. So it is also known as cylindrical prism. Let's move out the stacks. First of all, the base is circle, so we can say area of the circle times the height. Here height is 10 I'm taking, so we can just normally start stacking, and how much volume it can hold is the base area times the height. So let's talk about, so if we talk about this square prism, or generally speaking rectangular prism, because here it's regular polygon, but otherwise suppose it's not even regular, you just go for rectangles area, means this either take this base or this base, and that would be your multiplying height. Or if you don't want that, you can also go for this face and the back face. You just have to take any one face, but because the ditto face should be there, and this would be the height then. So let's talk about that. Suppose area of square face is side times side, right? Okay, let's call it S square. Now we are saying volume is equals to area of base times the distance meeting the two faces, means let's call it length. So here, because this is a regular polygon, so this is also S. Hence, volume of this cube would become S squares times S. That's why you all know the volume of a cube is this cubic units, whatever units are there. So that is the volume of cube always, right? So let's similarly talk about cylinder, and remember this is the same thing which is happening everywhere. The volume of a prism is same in every kind of prism. So as I already said, volume of prism. This is also prism. How do you judge a prism? Two faces should be same and a length should be meeting them. So this is that length, and area of base times the length meeting it. Okay, so let's call it height, and this is my radius. So what is the area of this circle, the base circle? Any circle you can take. So here pi r square times, let's call the height h. Hence the volume of cylinder you all know is pi r square h. Please do not forget this one. The volume of prism is area of the base times length. So now you give me the answer of this prism in the comment box. So let's say this is a prism. First of all, give me the name of this prism as well. You have to give me name and volume. Let me give you this length is 4, this length is 3, this joining length is 7, all in millimeter, millimeter and millimeter. I hope you can easily find out the volume of this triangular prism now. Take care. Thank you so much. Bye bye.